Good morning, traders. How you doing today? Hope you're all doing good. I'm doing a little better today, and I'm here to show you the setups. Why? Because that's how you make money. Yeah, so where's the first setup? Well, I have this squished in a little bit. Let's stretch it out a little bit. We can see it a little bit more. Oh, excuse me. Just having some Schweppes. Got Schwepped up from Schweppes. They've been making ginger ale since 1783. 17, man. Over 300 fucking years ago. Almost 300 years ago. It's the best ginger ale, I think. You'd have to taste it to see. It kind of tastes like you're drinking champagne. It's really good. So those of you who are ginger ale drinkers, up here we have Canada Dry. That's another ginger ale. I don't know what you have down in the USA. Try some Schweppes. You might like it. Okay. So let's put on some lines here, and I'll show you the divergence. That's why we're here. We're divergence traders. Yeah. Fuck yeah. Right there, kaboomski. There, I'll just pull it over so you can see it a little bit better. Okay, and this one's going down. Yeah. So we would have been sellers right in there. Boom. And it went down like from the top here, it went down like over 100. Yeah. From 27 to 26. From 27 down to, I don't know, 26. 26.50, I guess. Well, it went down I don't know. It went down, man. You made some profit. That's it. Holy fuck, I'm struggling here a bit. Don't mind me. I'm a little bit fucked up right now from blood clots. Fucking blood clots. Yeah, there's a big fucking deal about blood clots these days. A lot of people have them. I wonder why. Oh, I don't know. I don't know how that all happened. Weird how all these people have blood clots now and they're dying left, right, and center. I see fucking ambulances to this day. Just yesterday, I saw 3 ambulances go right down the fucking. I have a pretty busy street from where I live, right in front of where I live. 3 ambulances gone down the street yesterday. I remember when COVID was on. Holy fuck, I counted 12 or 11 or 12 ambulances went down the fucking street. Why is that? Well, I won't say. I'd be a conspiracy theorist now, wouldn't I? Yeah. All I can tell you is don't take any shots. That's all I can fucking tell you. Look what happened to me. I'm suffering today because of it. I took the fucking one shot. Fuck, I was stupid. Oh, was I stupid. I know some of you believe what they're telling you, and you think I'm fucking crazy. That's okay. I tell the fucking truth. And no one's gonna come after me and shut me up. Because I got nobody to tell it to, just a couple people on YouTube. Yeah. So anyway, you see, okay. Oh, it's my phone making noises. Okay, I want to show you something. I'm always looking for a setup, and I don't know if you guys would agree with me, but you see, once the 5 has freshly, see, this is fresh right here, cross down. It's a fresh cross down, right? So you always look. You say to yourself, well, it crossed the 5 crossed down below the 7. Price closed down and crossed well, not cross, then close down below the 7 and the 5 right here. So you're always looking now for sell trades because the line that tells us we can only sell is below the 7. Okay? So right here on the top of this rally right here of this candle, you'd sell it. Boom, take profit. Here's another one. See, the 5's below the 7. There's nice space. Excuse me. That's the Schweppes making me burp. Okay. So we got two high closing candles here. You would have sold it right here on the opening of this one. And boom, see? One winner. Boom. Two winners. Boom. Look, here again. The 5 is still below the 7. Although this trade would be your riskier trade because you already done two waves, right? That you sold it. This would be the third wave. So right here, it came up, it closed, you would sell it right there. Boom, down we go. You see that? One, 2, 3 sell trades. Now, look over here now. We wouldn't do this one because we've done 3 waves. You ever notice the market ever moves in like a couple of waves? Usually 3 of them, and then it turns and goes the other fucking way. Yeah, that's what it does. So now that we came down here and we did a little, a little shuffle, a little fucking, how would you say, sideways action, going nowhere fucking action. Then finally we broke out of here. Okay, so you could have bought it in here. And up we go. And once again, buy it in here. Up we go. Buy it in here. After each retracement, after each wave up. We're going up now. We can only buy. Why can we only do buy trades now? Because the 5 is above the 7. Over here, the 5 was below the 7. And I know I'm sounding like a snarly asshole here, but it's pretty basic, pretty easy to see what I'm saying. And that's what I always look for. But do you want to do it all the time? No, you don't. Like this time we did 1, 2, 3 waves and then it came down for the 4th wave. You might not want to sell down here, but you could have, and you could have made some quick money right here. But now we're going up. Now we're looking for the lower closing candles. Okay? Over here we are looking for the higher closing candles because the 5 is below the 7. See? I use the price, and I use moving averages, and I use levels also. Whole numbers and 50s, okay? That's everything I look at and read, doing doing chart analysis, right? And I look for setups in between. You're not always going to have your perfect divergence setup all the time, like right up here or right up here. So you got to look for trades within the divergence setups. You see what I'm saying? I hope you all got your ears on today. I'm teaching you some good fucking shit. Yeah, man, good fucking shit. Okay? Same here. Buy the dip, sell the rally. That's what you do. So right here again, you could have bought right here and up it goes. Could have bought right here and up it goes a little bit. Bought, see, lower closing candle, even though it closed below. The next one rallied up, so the price is above the 2 moving averages. The 5 is above the 7. Now you can buy on the opening of this candle. See what I mean? Right here, retracement candles, buy right here, up we go. See, the higher you go, it can get risky. It can go sideways. Just like the lower you could go in this downtrend, it gets risky down here on the 4th wave because it went sideways. See, that's what the market does. It goes lower lows and then it goes sideways. Higher highs, then it goes, there's a lot. This was a long trend today. But yeah, and then it's going to go sideways. See, it went sideways here. It went sideways in here. You just got to learn to buy those dips. Buy those bullish candles when the 5. You need the 5 above the 7, though. You can't have a fucking clean chart and expect to do this. That's why you've seen my charts. I've been trading this shit since 2011, okay? The divergence since 2011. but also reading in between the lines. So here's the lines, right? Read in between the lines. When the line is above the 7, the 5, the dotted dash line, then you look for buys. When it's below, you look for sells. It's real fucking simple. It's really simple to follow. All that you do is you follow the price up and down. And when, you know, like I just said a million times, when the 5's below, you look for higher closing candles and you sell it down. Higher closing candles, sell it down. Higher closing candles, sell it down. See? Then it turns bullish. You look for lower closing candles and buy it up. Lower closing candle, buy it up. Lower closing candle, buy it up. That's one of my helpers. I'll let them in. Okay. And that's pretty much it for the video, right? Yeah, it's 11:07. That's the therapist that's coming here now, I think. So I just want to say I showed you divergence trades to setups, right? And I showed you in between the lines trades, all the way down, all the way up, and that's it. La-di-da. Okay, we'll stop the video now. Thank you for coming and watching today and listening, and we'll see you tomorrow.